Winchester Springs offers the ideal blend of convenience and community. Nestled in a prime location near Hartford Community College, Winchester Springs is perfect whether you're pursuing education, enjoying the arts, or catching a show or musical. Culture and learning are right at your doorstep. Downtown Bel Air is just a short distance away with its quaint brick-lined Main Street, bustling with restaurants, shops, and year-round events. From First Fridays and the Bel Air Farmers Market to summer movies in the park, the famous barbecue bash, and the magical Festival of Lights, with horse-drawn carriage rides during the holidays, there's always something to enjoy. Winchester Springs is the ideal location for commuters. With easy access to 95, traveling to major cities like Baltimore and DC is a breeze. But you don't have to go far to stay active and entertained. The Ma and Pa Heritage Trail offers miles of scenic paths for walking, biking, or running. Shopping and dining options are abundant, ensuring you'll never run out of new experiences. Winchester Springs itself is a private enclave of beautiful custom homes for those seeking privacy and tranquility. Choose from our most popular floor plans like the Devonshire Cottage with a 2-story family room, chef's kitchen, and stunning tranquility bath. With its unbeatable location, vibrant community, and endless amenities, Winchester Springs truly has something for everyone. Don't miss your chance to be a part of this exceptional community. Build your dream home at Winchester Springs.